Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, well, welcome to Kenny Matt Clinic. Um, this moment we'll be looking at these two simple questions. Now, the first one says, write 83 days in weeks and days. Now, if I'm to take the solution without wasting time, the number one, write 83 days. 83 days in weeks and days. So, first of all, let's see. Since we have 83 days, how many weeks can we get in 83 days? Remember, we all know that 7 days will give us 1 week. Now, a proper explanation, that means for me to have a week, which is 1 week, I will need 7 days. For me to have 2 weeks, I will need 7 plus another 7, which is 14 days. For me to have 3 weeks, I will need to have 7 plus 7 plus 7. What does that mean? I will need to have 21 days. So instead of doing this counting one after the other, the best to do is just to check how many 7 can I say in 83. So I'm going to say 83 days divided by 7 days. So how many 7 can I say here? Let's do the division together gently. 7 is 1. 7 here is 1. Remember 1. Put it here. This is 13. 7 and 13 also is 1. Remember what? 6. Because 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. And this is 13. So what does that mean is I have 11. The remainder is 6. So I have 11. That means I have 11 weeks. Then the remainder, which is 6, will now be 6 days. Can you see? So meaning changing 83 days to weeks and days. I will have 11 weeks, 6 days. That is the answer. Now let's take a look at the second question. The second question says a boy is 75 weeks and 6 days. That means that is the number of days, the number of weeks that child has lived on this earth. So we now say, what is his age in days? So meaning, we don't want to have anything to do with weeks. We want to know the boy's age or the child's age in the days. Alright, this is how many days is the child now as the child lived on this earth. So what we need to do is we have 75 weeks, 6 days. So we need to change this 75 weeks to what? Today. But remember, we said something here that 7 days is 1 week. I mean, for every 7 days is equal to 1 week. For every 14 days is equal to 2 weeks. For every 21 days is equal to 3 weeks. For every 28 days is equal to 4 weeks, and so on and so forth. So for us to know the number of days here, and since it's 75 weeks, all we need to do now is we need to check how many days can we see here. Very simple. All you need to do is you just do 75 times 7. Remember? Remember? Remember that. Remember that. Remember that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So if I have 75 weeks, that means I have 7 days in 75 places. So that's why I'm multiplying now times 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. I write 5 and put 3. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3, 52. So this is the number of days. But for us to get the accurate answer, remember there are 6 days here. So I'm going to do 525 plus 6. This is 11. This is 3. This is 5. So this child has lived 531 days. And in terms of this boy's age, his age is what? In days is 531 days. Thank you. And please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Please tell your friends and your loved ones We are ready. Any class, we are ready, to give you the best and to simplify, so that child that is having challenges in mathematics will find it very, very easy and enjoyable. Thank you. See you in the next class.